Today is Friday, August 1st, and this is your forecast for the central United States, and I cannot believe it is August. And when you step outside for much of the middle of the U.S., you might not believe it either. Actually, you might think it's September. Yeah, because we have an unusually cool and dry air mass that is spilled across much of the middle U.S. on this weekend. So let's look at the weather map. This area of high pressure dropping right out of Canada where the cool air is pulling up, and so with it dropping south pretty quickly, we got a nice, cool, comfortable air mass. Now, in the middle of winter, this would mean a frigid Arctic air mass, but in the middle of summer, at the beginning of August specifically, this means an absolutely beautiful weekend. So let's take you through that now. 79 today in Grand Rapids, 77 in Detroit and Cleveland, 76 for you in Chicago, 70s to near 80 from Des Moines to Minneapolis. Told you it's absolutely gorgeous out there. Sun and clouds today for Pittsburgh and Cincinnati and Louisville, all of which will peak in the low 80s. We got mid 80s for Nashville and Memphis, both areas dry. All the showers and storms are to your south at this point. So a nice little break for the middle of the country. Temperatures are going to ramp right back up. So folks that are worried, oh no, don't let it be fall already. Don't worry. There's still plenty of summer yet to go. And you can see it here even in the temperature trend for the middle and beginning and middle of next week. Same deal in Chicago. We're going to climb right back into the 80s. As we slide into the southeast, we got temperatures that are still very hot because the front is stalled basically along just east of the Appalachians, I would say. So east of that, it's still very hot. 93 in Charlotte today. We got 92 in Wilmington, 94 in Charleston, 90s also for you in Atlanta, and slow moving showers and thunderstorms with that front nearby. You got those showers and storms across the deep south. Again, they're slow moving, so with the heavy rain and it's not moving away very much, there could be some areas of flooding, maybe some street flooding, and we got those showers and storms extending all the way back toward Dallas. Now, once the cold front does settle south, we get a little bit of a break here, which is nice. I mean, this is a gorgeous 7-day forecast and a welcomed one because it has been a hot and humid stretch of weather for much of the southern United States. It is a warm start in Fort Lauderdale, and it is going to be hot again this afternoon. Yesterday, the heat index got up there about 100, 105. Today, won't be too far from that. 85 degrees this evening with mainly dry weather. You know, can't rule out that isolated shower or thunderstorm early in the evening. Solidly around 90 for the next several days, maybe a little bit above that at times into early next week. All right, that is your Friday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a terrific weekend. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.